represents? This is the Gucci Tunnels model, showcasing the intensity and bravery of Vietnamese soldiers. Let's dive into its details. The Saigon lets you see the interconnected tunnels from living quarters to hidden traps. It's like stepping into history. Through this model, you will understand how the Gucci people lived and strategized during wartime. Do you want to see what Saigon looked like in the past? If you want to see the real tunnels, contact us to travel now.